Kim looked under her bed. No umbrella, she said. Kim looked in the kitchen. Here it is, she said. Look, Dad, I got my umbrella, said Kim. Look at the sun. Is not Look, Kim, the sun is out, said Dad.
Great job reading.